It is possible to limit and prevent the transmission of the new coronavirus, known as COVID-19, during transport operations and delivery of goods to and from food production establishments. Precautionary and preventative measures can be taken at various stages. First, and as it relates to transporting and delivering supplies to food business operators, it is important to ensure that drivers and delivery personnel remain outside of the food establishment and that they use a hand sanitizer prior to delivering any receipts or other paperwork to the personnel of the food business operator. It is advised to rely upon single-use containers and packaging material where possible. Should multiple-use containers and packages be used, it is advised to apply general measures of cleaning and disinfection upon receipt of the goods, while ensuring not to compromise the safety and integrity of the delivered products. Should monetary transactions be required, it is advised to limit them to electronic transactions. If money is exchanged, however, it is important to use hand sanitizers after such transactions. Second, upon loading the products destined for delivery from food production establishments, the safe distance between operators needs to be respected upon loading the products. It is important to maintain personal hygiene practices and to ensure that relevant protective equipment is worn for all those involved in the loading operations. All contact points, such as the surface of containers or the handles of trolleys, should be cleaned and disinfected on a regular basis. It is highly advised to ensure and maintain the safety and integrity of food products destined to delivery through ensuring the separation of food products from other material that may be a source of contamination. Third, staff involved in the delivery of food products should observe a series of precautionary measures. A safe distance of at least 1 metre should be maintained between operators at all times. It is important to enhance awareness of staff, and in particular the personnel involved in the loading and delivery operations, about the virus and its possible transmission through contaminated surfaces and through direct contact with infected individuals, such as handshakes. Hand washing with water and soap or cleaning them with an alcohol-based hand sanitizer on a regular basis should be applied. This is particularly the case after touching surfaces that may be subject to contamination with the virus, such as doorknobs, the delivery vehicle's wheel or mobile phones. Delivery personnel should be sensitized to alert their employer if they suspect having been in contact with COVID-19 or having contracted the virus, with or without symptoms, and in accordance with local or national guidelines. These measures should be observed in conjunction with other general preventative approaches to protect workers in relation with sanitation and personal hygiene. Hand washing using water and soap for at least 20 seconds or disinfection with an approved hand sanitizer should be applied before and after the operations of loading and unloading of the products. When gloves are used, they must be changed frequently, particularly after carrying out non-food related activities, such as opening doors or handling trolleys and carts. It is important that using gloves be not considered as a replacement of hand washing. Surfaces touched need to be cleaned and disinfected very regularly. By adopting this guidance, it is possible to minimise the disruptions of food production systems and supply chains during the current COVID-19 pandemic.